Hey, I helped my client get off of pharmaceuticals, PPIs, regular use of PPIs. In just 3 months, she had banished her reflux symptoms. So I just wanted to tell you one of the main ways in which I helped her, which was using marshmallow root. Yes, marshmallow root, Althea officinalis. This is a beautiful plant where we use the root because it is mucilaginous, so it's soothing and coating for the intestines. It also carries prebiotic. Prebiotic feeds probiotic, so good for intestinal microbiota, and just really demulcent, so that soothing and coating is wonderful for the intestines, for the throat, for the whole body. So what we did was a cold infusion where she soaked the herb in room temperature water for 8 hours, then strained it out and drank that a couple times a day, 4 ounces, a couple times a day, 3 times a day. And she now is actually decreased the amount that she needs. So it really, really helped her. So if you're looking for more tips, check out my 30-minute complimentary class where I go over the top plants that helped Karen get off of those PPIs and some other mind-body work that we did. It's available for a limited time. Melanie signing off here. Have a great day. Bye-bye.